Changing your username on OneDrive can help you personalize your account and make it easier for others to recognize you. Follow these steps to update your username. Step 1. Sign into OneDrive. Open your web browser and go to the OneDrive website. Enter your Microsoft account credentials to log into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select View Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to your info. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Your Info section. Click on it to view your personal information, including your current username. Step 4. Edit your username. Find the option to edit your username. Click on the Edit Name or similar link. Enter your desired new username in the provided fields and ensure it meets any specified requirements. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, look for a Save or Submit button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes. You may need to verify your identity through email or SMS. Once you have completed these steps, your OneDrive username will be updated. Remember to inform your contacts of your new username if necessary.